The point comes where people feel how to deal with negative people. If they feel they are around negative people, so how to handle these negative people. So obviously, if we try to treat these negative people very positively, so they will not understand, because you see they are blinded by negativity to the extent that they will keep on insulting you. So what to do now? Yeah, number one option, definitely you can avoid such people. Yeah, definitely it is much advisable, you can avoid. But then you see the real challenge in day-to-day life is, in practical life is, how many such so-called negative people you are going to avoid. They may be around everywhere. They could be your customers, they could be your clients, your colleagues, your own family members. So what to do? So my understanding about dealing such kind of people is that instead of avoiding, if you can become a void, right? So if you can be like lotus, because lotus is detached, and lotus is surrounded by so-called negativity. No, so but it is detached. It's at bliss in itself. So and also lotus symbolizes the shunya, the nothingness. So from shunya, from zero, nothing can be subtracted, nothing can be added to it. It remains shunya. It's like pure sky. You see, the passing clouds, move here and there, but the sky remains unaffected, detached. Yeah. So in order to handle such kind of people, so-called negative people, try to be the void, the shunya, instead of avoiding. Yeah. If you can avoid, better. Now again, some people say, सर अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो ये लोग तो आपको बेचकर आपको खा जाएंगे, ये आपको कहीं का नहीं छोड़ेंगे. So yes, definitely. See, any relationship is on the basis of mutual respect. Be it personal relationship, any relationship, be it personal or be it professional. What my experience is, what my understanding says, is that your humble behavior should not be taken for granted. We respect people. Sometimes there are cultural practices because of which they may be misunderstood. For example, say I'm in a habit, when I speak with someone, I say aap, right? Be it any age, usually say they are elder to me. But sometimes you will come across people, they are so-called younger to you, but they may treat you publicly by saying tu ye kar, tu wo kar. So then you need to, instead of reacting, you need to understand why he or she is saying that. Maybe out of abundance of love for you, or maybe that the demography, the geography, the people stay in, it could be their lingo. So you need not to just generalize about people and label them that they are negative people. No. But after some time, over certain experiences and certain encounters and interactions, you may feel that your humble behavior is taken for granted. So then you need to have the courage to walk out from such kind of people. और भगवान कृष्ण ने भी अपने हथियार उठा ही लिए थे जब शिशुपाल ने सारी हदें पार कर दी थी. तो भाई कोई मजबूरी नहीं होती that you need to continue such kind of associations or relationships, be it your very intimate personal relationship or could be professional. कई बार लोग ये सोचते हैं कि यार हमारी कुछ मजबूरियां हैं, अभी हम यहाँ पे फंस गए, हम लोगों ने ये किया है वो किया है. तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. So are you scared of such kind of personalities, such kind of situations, or are you scared of yourself? Yeah. When you get into such kind of over dependency, you see friends, it kills your own creativity. Aside taming your courage, it buries down your own talent. So get out of this happy slavery, explore yourself, be respectful towards others, but not at that cost where your talent, your role is insulted. Yeah. So take care of yourself, have very happy, harmonious, healthy relationship. I love you all. Thank you.